Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 3 variant featuring GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card. So friend, MSI unveiled a total of 3 models, one of which is graphics card equipped with the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, and these release features an enhanced VGA cooler with sleeker profile, and one of these models, GeForce 4070 Ti GAMING X-SLIM-12G, stand out as a more compact and lighter version of the conventional TRI FROZR 3. It incorporates 3 fans and core pipe while reducing the overall dimensions without compromising on cooling efficiency. And friend, key specifications include a boost clock of 2730 MHz, memory speed of 21 Gbps, a memory burst width of 192 bit and 12 GB of GDDR6X video memory. The interface offers DisplayPort 1.4a x 3 HDMI 2.1a x 1 compatibility, and the auxiliary power connector is 12 VH PWR 16 pin x 1, and external dimensions measures 125 by 307 by 51 mm and weighs around 1091 gram. Additionally, it boasts a zero frozen silent function. Its fan design, featuring 3 blades connected to outer ring, generates impressive steady pressure and airflow. And friend, it comes equipped with dual TORX FAN 4.0, offering the balanced performance suitable for various sceneries, and it omits the LED function for added simplicity. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.